What's up everybody, Olaf here from 46 Garage. Welcome back to the channel. We got another BMW today, 2009 BMW X5 E70. Very familiar with just this chassis I have on myself. I have a diesel one. This is a 3-liter naturally aspirated one, N52. We are going to be replacing the fuel pump on this bad boy today. So we got a fuel pump in the truck. Unfortunately, the only crappy part of this job is we're going to be doing it outside. So bundle up and let's get at her. First things first, guys, check that fuel pump relay in the back. It's a very cheap part, easy to check. These things have two fuel pumps, left and right, so we're going to be changing the right side one today. We've got the back seat pulled up, we've got the carpet kind of pulled up here. We've got 4 10mm nuts taken off for this inspection cover. There's 2 plugs on the pump, which we've removed one of them. We're just going to mark this one so we don't mix them up, although the connectors probably usually don't get mixed up. We've got one fuel line, we've got a disconnect here, and then a little hose clamp, band clamp style, that tightens this ring around. So we're going to get our little mini bit driver ratchet in there and undo that guy, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so when the fuel pump is oriented in the vehicle, it's going to sit like this. The only thing I would note to anybody who's doing this at home, this little guy, you're going to have to follow this wire a little bit into the fuel tank, clip this together and pull this apart. And there's also going to be a black line with a clip you've got to extract here, comes off there. And right here where you've got these 2 little guides, you're going to have 2 plastic fuel lines that just literally sit in there and they just pull fuel from here. So when we're putting this back in, we're going to obviously make sure to get that float in there first. Got a new O-ring and a new band clamp as well. So let's check out the truck. Okay, pumps back in. There we go. That's her. Okay, so let me get my fancy dancy lighter. We got some assembly to do here. Put our inspection cover back on, put our back seat back on. Got a couple engine plastics to put back in there. And don't forget your trusty dusty clamp. We just put the plastic ring on just to get it in from outside, because it's pretty cold out still, so my hands are getting pretty cold. I wanted to put it together inside. So not so bad. Pull the back seat up. Longest part of this job was waiting for the fuel pump itself. Actually, everybody was back ordered on these things, so